Hi, this is a quick unboxing of the Anker Prime 200 watt 6 port GAN charging station. Nice packaging. There's the power cord. There's the charging station. Four USB-Cs. Power cord in back. Documentation. Right, that's it. So the total output is 200 watts, I guess, across 6 ports. So enough to charge 2 laptops, 100 watts each, and several phones or tablets simultaneously. Each USB-C port can deliver again up to 100 watts, and 2 USB-A ports, 22.5 watts each. So perfect for phones, earbuds. So this is a compact design. It's 4.4 by 3 and 1.4 inch, and it weighs 1.25 pounds, so fits easily on the desktop or nightstand without clutter. Use the GAN technology, so it stays cool and efficient. Has a built-in multi-protect and active shield 3.0. The systems constantly monitor temperature and power to keep devices safe. And here's the Anker Prime 200 watt 6 port GAN charger.